So guys, on the day that I decide to go for a park run again, it's horrible weather, but I'm going to brave through it and hopefully it will ease up during the race. Back safely to the car. Yeah, that was really bad for me, even for me. I'm usually, you know, I've got like 20 or 25 people behind me. This time I had only one person behind me. I could tell, you know, because I haven't been running for quite a while, that, you know, I wasn't doing really well. I was out of breath straight away, you know, like 3 minutes into the race already. So yeah, I think I would need to commit again to running every week, weather permitting, of course. Weather permitting, I think, you know, I did really well today, even with the rain. It was fun. It didn't hinder me. The rain didn't hinder my running, but it just because I'm not fit enough. So yeah, so I need to get home now. Raining again. Luckily it wasn't so heavy, the second part of the race. Anyway, so guys, it's about 6:30 now and we're off to the bonfire. Can you hear the fireworks already? So we're going to see the fireworks with the kids, and yeah, it's warm and it stopped raining, luckily, so hopefully it'll stay like that, and I'll see you at the fireworks. So we just arrived and waiting for the firework display.
And Mommy ran out of money, and I'm going to get money myself to get every toy I want.
Okay. I don't know what she was saying, but okay. But yeah, it's supposed to start sort of 7 o'clock, and now it's about 22, quarter to. So I don't know where my friends are. We were meant to meet up, but I can't find them anywhere. They're not picking up their phone. So Taha went off to find them, and then hopefully and somebody's being really cheeky.
just separate them, and then me and your mum can be on the same table. Look at that one.
Guys, we just got back from the bonfire night. It was really good firework display. There was so many people. This is the 4th year we've been to that place, and they do really get improved every year. Anyway, I'm going to finish the vlog here, just keeping it nice and short, and finger crossed I'm planning to vlog twice next week just to keep things rolling. I was really happy that I went to the park run this morning. I felt so motivated afterwards. Last week I booked like 4 classes in the gym, and I ended up cancelling each one of them because I had so much things going on that in my mind took priority. But can you hear the fireworks? I think our neighbors are having a party. So yeah, basically I'm going to start again going to the gym next week. From next week on, I've been quite good, to be honest, with my diet. So I've been eating right and counting my calories and so on. So that wasn't a big issue for me. And my water intake, I was really conscious of it. So I was drinking more, and I downloaded this app that I will show you maybe in my next vlog. I downloaded this great app so that reminds me nearly every hour. I think I've set it up so every hour it says, come on, have a drink, it's time to hydrate and stuff. So yeah, I feel great that after I started drinking enough. So yeah, I'm really excited to start things up again and start following my plan and working towards my goals. So anyway, I'm going to finish here, and hopefully I'll see you next week sometime. All right, take care, and thank you so much for your support. Bye.